Welcome back, YouTubers, and I'm going to show you how to install a freeware NES game on the GPi. On Mac, go to Finder, click Go, connect to server, and in the server box we're going to enter SMB for Samba // Pi, the username at 192.168.068, and then click connect. When this dialog box comes up, what we're going to do now is click guest and then connect, and then we'll be asked which volumes we want to mount. So we're not going to bother with BIOS, configs or splash screens, although you can use those to customize the startup of the GPi. We're just going to select ROMs. And now we've got a volume mounted called ROMs, and within that you can see we've got all the different emulators that are pre-configured with the GPi or with RetroPie. So Amiga, Amstrad, Arcade is used for MAME, Atari, Game Boy, Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Color, Nintendo 64, although to be fair it won't run particularly well on a Pi Zero, so I'd probably forget that, Vectrex, ZX Spectrum, Sega, etc, etc. But we have one that's called NES. What we do need is a game for it. Now, the Oliver twins released a game on the NES a few years ago called Wonderland Dizzy. It was a game that they'd forgotten about, found in their archives, and it was updated, bugs were fixed, and it was released free to the world. So we're going to use this as the example. So you can go to wonderlanddizzy.com. Now, in order to get to the ROM itself, we're going to click to play, and you can actually play the game in the window if you've got Flash installed. I don't, but we need this link here, download game, of which it's now downloaded. So here we go. We've got Wonderland Dizzy Final .NES. So I'm going to copy that, and in the NES folder, remember, on the 192.168 drive that we've got here under ROMs, just going to paste the item. And it is as simple as that. So any NES ROMs that you have available, put them in the NES folder. Any Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, there's plenty of homebrew out there, and for anything else, Google is your friend. Just drop them in the right folders, and then simply restart your GPi, and the new games will be picked up, which I'll show you in the next part. Now the game, the GPi and Raspberry Pi have rebooted. You will now see that we have a Nintendo option. So we can move to Nintendo. And we've got Wonderland Dizzy Final, which we can now click on. Ignore the message that appears here. That's more for advanced. And here you go, Wonderland Dizzy.